everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making Margarita Mix. This is the perfect blend of sweet and tangy, and it's amazing for your summer margaritas. Super easy to make, and I have one secret ingredient that I'm going to share with you today. To start your margarita mix, you're going to need just a handful of ingredients. So you'll need lime juice. I like to use bottled lime juice because squeezing limes just takes forever. Bottled lime juice is the way to go. A little bit of sugar and some oranges. So I like to just give a little squeeze of orange into the margarita mix. It just adds a little bit of sweetness and takes away some of the tartness of the lime. It's the perfect blend. And so the margarita mix is not going to have the alcohol in it. The margarita mix you can keep in the refrigerator to whip up frozen margaritas or just a regular margarita on the rocks. You can add the tequila, the triple sec, and the Cointreau, whatever you're adding, that orange liqueur flavor. Just add it as you're making your drink. So to start, we're just gonna add the lime juice to a pitcher. And you can see this is like pretty amazing lime juice for bottled lime juice. I'm gonna mix in the sugar, squeeze the orange over my hand to catch any seeds that may fall out. And this is super easy to double, triple, quadruple if you're gonna have a party. And this orange is a Cara orange. You can kind of see like the inside, it's like a grapefruit. It's a little sweeter, less acidic than like a navel orange. That's your margarita mix. So you're gonna whisk that together. Just whisk until the sugar is dissolved. And you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. So if you're going to make a pitcher of margaritas, at this point, you're going to add your tequila, and today I have triple sec, but I've also used Cointreau. Pour about a cup or so of the tequila into your pitcher. Splash. Add some triple sec. I do about a quarter cup. If you're gonna make just individual margaritas, you can pour it into a shaker, cocktail shaker, just about a cup of the margarita mix and like 1 ounce of tequila and maybe ½ ounce of triple sec. Just come up with your own combination. I've had people that love my concoction, and then there are other people that are like true purists and don't like the orange in the margarita at all. So give that a little mix. And then to rim your glass, you can use margarita salt, which I have here, or you can use tahini, which is amazing on like mango. We put it on tacos, we put it on our corn in the summer. So I'm just gonna cut a lime, cut a little wedge, and just around the rim of your glass to make it sticky. We'll do one with the tahini. This is just like a fun and unique way to rim your margarita. And we'll rim this one in salt. And you can either do your margaritas on the rocks, or you can do a frozen margarita. To make a frozen margarita, you're gonna put about 1.5 cups of ice into a blender, and then you'll pour your margarita mix into the blender. You can, at that time, you can add your tequila or your triple sec to the pitcher and mix it all together. It's just gonna make it easier for you to make an adult frozen margarita. If you're just doing it on the rocks, obviously you can do it in the pitchers, or you can make it in a cocktail shaker. To make our margaritas, I'm just gonna add some ice cubes to my margarita glasses. If you have fancy ice cubes, this is much prettier to do. Clean hands are best hands. So this is best chilled. Your ice cubes won't melt as fast either. I love a margarita, especially in the summer. And we're just gonna put a little lime wedge on the side. 2 margaritas. I'm ready for summer. The tahini on the side is amazing. It adds a little bit of spice. So it's kind of like a spicy margarita. It's fresh and light and tangy. It is the perfect margarita. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.